Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon everyone. Okay, as we start our class 2:40, supposedly 2:30. So I would like to remind you guys, which is yesterday, I already informed to everyone regarding about the assignment. Okay, assignment 1, it should be everyone have to get this information from the uh, where's the get this one from the Google Classroom. Okay, we see at our Google Classroom here. Okay, so everyone can see this is the Google Classroom whereby yesterday, okay, I already attached the overview regarding about the chapter 1. So I already attached together the slide, the slide and also the recording video for the chapter 1. In order to make sure that you are understand how to do assignment after this. So today's session should be 26. Okay, it will be as a summarize for a chapter 1, whereby everyone can review from this video as well. By right, I would like to share with you regarding about the assignment. Okay, this assignment supposedly submit by date given. So I am open this assessment for everyone in order to make sure that you are clear about this assessment. Okay, this assessment assignment, it will be as an understanding of operation management company, whereby it will be as a chapter 1. Okay, we only cover for the chapter 1, whereby the chapter 1 is about the operation system. You have to understand the company that you are choose. Okay, like yesterday I am informed, every group need to find a company from Qatar, okay, which is from your country, not from the Malaysian. Okay, so basically once you are choose the company from your country, you have to clear about the operation system or operation wise that we have to focus, which is it will be as a it will be regarding about the product or service and what kind of the challenges when they are produce the productivity, and of course we need to look into the function from the operation wise and operation part. So of course we need to focus as well regarding about the mission itself, okay, the mission of the company and also the strategy that they need to develop. All right. So what is a competitive for this assignment for this chapter, whereby it will be look into the company that you are choose. Okay, as I am mentioned here, um, whatever company that you are choose, it will be applicable. By right, every each of you need to form a group consists of the 6 members. If you are have more than that, is okay, you may proceed. By right, once again, the instruction here is about the Qatari company, which is a focus of operation management practice. So as you need to make sure that there is an approval from me, okay, approval. So what should I have to remind you guys? Please go back to this session, whereby this session, it will be as here. All right. Everyone have to fill up your name here. Okay. And also metric number. Okay. The first session here, it will be as a leader for your group, whereby I need to know what company that you are proposed. So that's why I need by this week, which is you have since yesterday, Thursday, today is Friday. And of course, I would like to have this complete form by all of the students, okay, from you guys, in order to make sure that I am validate this company. If you are not give these company names to me by today or by this week, it will be distract, it will be effect to your process to further your assignment assessment after this. So please fill up this by today, whereby it will be very important to everyone in order to make sure that you are clear. Okay, since yesterday I already attached the link at the WhatsApp group, but until today I'm checking there is no, there is no update from you guys. So please do so by right ASAP as soon as possible, right after our class finish. Okay, so I will back to our session, which is the instruction of the assignment itself. Okay, so basically, once I am approved the company, so you have to review. So every group need to review the definition and overview of operation management towards that Qatar company. The first one, second one, you have to look into the operation system. Okay, let's say if you have more than one system from that Qatar company, you may choose only one. Okay, you may choose only one choose one system that you would like to propose. Okay, I am repeat again. If you think that there is a huge or there is a more than one operation system, you can choose only to focus one operation system that you would like to propose for your assignment one. And of course, you have to discuss a little bit about the product and also service. What is the product and service that they are proposed, which means the company are proposed. And please propose and please review what kind of the challenges of issues that the company are facing. So when it comes to the challenges and issues, what the challenges and issues that you have to focus, it will be as a productivity. How productive the company itself, how productive the product itself, how the productive when it comes to the process itself. So as actually when it comes to the challenges and issues, there is a few challenges that you might list down, you might review. Okay, please avoid to review challenges and issues, or you are taken only one only. Okay, you are taken only one. So please do the challenges and issue at least. Okay, at least the challenges, it will be minimum 3, maximum 5. The challenges or issues, it need to be report to your assignment, minimum 3 and maximum 5. And the next content that you have to include inside your assignment, it should be as a functionable, okay, function of the operation itself. And of course, there is a little bit background of the company. And the last one, what should we have to focus? It will be as a competitive company towards the journey of their sustainability. Okay, so this is very important to make sure that these few content need to be filled up at your assignment. So when during the submission, please using my cover page. Okay, so this cover page, it will be like this one. Okay, this is a cover page assignment which is already attached at the GC. So as per inform here, is already stated 6 members and 6 metric card. And of course, the date submission is followed by the date given at the instruction. And then we do have a company survey, which is a company from Qatar, and also link of presentation. Okay, later on, I will share with you how the link presentation need to be pasted here and how you are present. Okay, so don't forget to have a picture group and also individual picture here. It need to be submitted here. And then back to our assignment again. Okay, instruction. During you finalize your report, okay, during you finalize your report, please make sure there is a citation between 2021 until 2025. Okay, so basically what should include inside your assignment, it should be you have a cover page. Cover page is already attached at this Google Classroom. Please use. Don't forget to add on your table of content. So of course, 1.0 here, it needs to be as an introduction of this assignment, okay, whereby you need to review the company, and then the second one, company profile. Okay, explain a little bit about the operation management that company culture that you are choose, and after that there is an operation system that I informed you just now. You need to choose at least one operation system that might be major issues or challenges for that company. Okay, 6.05 is a product and service. 6, productivity challenges and issues. 7, function and operation. 8, mission and strategy or company development. 9, operation strategy and competitive, which is you need to review by right. Number 10. Okay, number 10, it needs you to do a comparison with the others company, which is quite similar to the company that you are choose. Okay, let's say you are choose ABC company, whereby you are try to review this operation system, and when it comes 10.0, okay, every group need to find out another one more company, which is you can do as a comparison. To make sure that you can have a very good comparison, what should you have to come up with your report? Just use just come out with the table, which is table company A and compare company B. Okay, and then you can make it what kind of the operation it will be different. Okay, so as usual, 11, do you have a conclusion? 12.0, it will be as a reference if you have and supposedly need compulsory have a reference. And 13, it will be as an appendix, such as like any kind of related, such as like journals and everything. So submission report, yesterday, some of your group, some others members proposed to submit next week. By right, as stated here in this Google Classroom, you need to submit a hard copy 9th of October and also at the GC soft copy on 9th of October. If you can submit earlier, okay, for those who are at their MSU in Malaysian, you can submit hard copy. By right, you still need to submit as a soft copy as well. But for others are not be here at the MSU Malaysian, you need to submit as a soft copy only at the GC. Okay, so please reminder, submission at the Google Classroom only from group leader. Okay, every assignment, okay, means that assignment 1 need to submit by group leader. So that's why, okay, that's why if you are refer my sharing of this, I need to make sure that who is a leader, whereby I can compare with the GC name in order to make sure that you are submitted. Okay, once again, please fill up this form to avoid any misunderstanding and also you are confused. All right, so we are back to our session, which is here. Okay, done submission the report at the Google Classroom. Next stage for assignment, it will be as a presentation. What is the mean presentation individual? Presentation individual means that presentation you may do as a group, by right individual marks. So each of you need to present. Okay, so each of you need to present by right before you are present and record. Okay, before you are present and record, you need to prepare slideshow. Okay, you need to prepare a slide presentation whereby there is an 11 slide or 13 slide here, whereby one slide it should be name and introduction of group. One slide 2.0 is company profile. 3.0, one slide, it will be as an overview of the company. 4.0, one slide for the operation process. 5.0, one slide, it should be product and service, focus one product only. 6.0, okay, it will be as a challenges and review, it must be 2 slides. Because of what? Just now I already informed to everyone. Challenges minimum, it should be 3, maximum, it should be 5. 3 to 5, all right? And then 7.0, it should be 1 slide, mission 1 slide, strategy and competitive 1 slide, comparison that I am informed to you by using a table. So you need to have a 2 slide. So when you are come out as a slide, do not copy from your report and then paste it as a slide. Rephrase means that come up with the very short notes towards the slide. Okay. So this is very important. If you are copy paste from the report, automatic the marks it will be reduced. So 11 it will be as a conclusion. Total up of slide it will be as a 13 slide only. Bear your mind, which is the submission of hard copy slide is just only 30 slide. Okay, these 30 slide need to submit together or need to submit separately. Report submit separately, and then presentation submit separately. So at GC, I will attach another one more file whereby it will be stated as a presentation link upload. Okay, so at the GC there is a 2 document that you have to submit. Later on I will attach also at the Google at the our WhatsApp group, which is submission report and also submission of the link presentation, okay, as a group. So both need to submit same date, 9th of October, okay, soft copy at the GC. So basically, this presentation, okay, not to become as a face-to-face. This presentation, okay, I would like to remind you guys, you have to submit as a link YouTube. Link YouTube means that you are present, record, and upload at the YouTube, or might be you are saved as at the Google Drive. So that link, you have to paste it at our, okay, cover page here. Okay, this is the cover page. Once again, I have to share with you again here. Okay, this is a link presentation. Either YouTube, Google Drive, you need to be here. If you are failed to paste your link here, then I will deduct your marks by right, even though you submit your video at the GC. Okay, the cover page need to attach also the link where the presentation based on the group members. Once again, is it compulsory each of you have to present? My answer, yes, because of each of you are being grading as individual marks for the presentation. Okay, so we take a look for the rubric of this assignment. So this assignment, basically, there is a few content that you have to alert, whereby when it comes to the report, the most important here is an individual evaluation, whereby I need to make sure that there is each of you are contribute for this report. By right, to make sure that this rubric understand, you have to look into this information, okay, that the number 4 itself. So please make sure that either you are organized well and the quality of information, there is an introduction, conclusion, neatness. Neatness means that you are submit on time based on the time given, which is neatness and also timeline. It will be follow the date that you are submit. If the date submission late, automatic the timeline it will be reduced. So reminder for everyone, if you are late submission, it will be automatically reduce your marks. And of course, there is other things that we are review. Okay, so this is what I call it presentation rubric. When it comes to the presentation rubric, so you can see here there is a presenter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whereby each of you will have to record, whereby based on the recording there must be has a eye contact, there must be a very good body posture, your confidence level. I'm sure that you are enough confident, by right I have to make sure that you how you are able to attract and also to deliver the information, especially to me, how the education. And of course this one is a very important one, which is how you are deliver the subject knowledge is a very important. It's not only you are read from the notes, by right once again understanding when you are present, it will be accumulate high marks. Okay, and then the second one, it will be as an organization structure, and the last one, it will be as a mechanism of the language. If you are having any kind of the situation to present, you have to let me know, and you may inform me at the WhatsApp group, or you may inform me at the personal personal WhatsApp. So basically, this assignment, okay, only for report. Okay, I am rename here. It will be as a report submission. Okay, report assignment 1, whereby you have to attach it here in order to make sure that you know. Another one more folder here. It will be as a presentation slide, and also link for the assignment 1. Okay, so basically this is a based on the weekly class. Next week we will attach for the chapter 2. Okay, this chapter 2 is already include the recording, okay, teaching for chapter 2, whereby you may refer. Same goes when it comes to the next week Friday. By right, every week this GC will appear the information regarding about the chapter. By right, when it comes to the assignment 2, it will be as a written test and quizzes. So by right, this one is not uploaded yet at your GC. Okay, it's not appear yet. So by right, this written, it will be as an individual by Google form. So these 3 chapter, it will be covered whereby, okay, so whereby based on these 3 chapter, it will be based on the chapter that attached at the GC. So basically, what I can brief you a little bit about the assignment 2 as using Google Form. Okay, so Google Form, I will attach at the WhatsApp group, and then you are being given a duration during my class time. Okay, when is my class time? It should be on 60th of October. There is an assignment 2 written test. So everyone have to using Google Form submit based on these 3 chapter, and then this submission no need to attach at the GC. Okay, this written assignment, this written for the test is not attached at the GC because we are using Google Form. So Google Form is just only a link whereby you have to answer. So total marks to for assignment 2, it will be 15 marks, but it will be accumulated as 100. Then each question is a 10 marks. So 10 marks based on the 5 question here, 5 question based on these 3 chapter. Okay, so this is what we call as a written test or open test for everyone, whereby you can answer at anywhere. All right, so this is basically how we are conduct for these classes. So I hope, okay, I hope this clarification, it will be clear regarding about the assignment 1 and also assignment 2. And once again, I would like to remind you guys to have a very clear about this subject. The recording is already attached at the GC. Please refer from the recording at the GC. If you are not able to refer from the recording at the GC, please refer from the slide attached at the WhatsApp group, and also from the GC itself. Okay, so remind again, please upload all your group members' name at the Google Sheet given here. Okay, I will attach again at the Google Class. I will attach again at the WhatsApp group. Everyone have to fill up this one. Okay, please make sure that you are alert on these matters. And of course, I would like to have a very cooperation from you towards for this subject. All right, so I think that's all for today, our session. So if anything that you would like to ask, if you want to ask me, you may ask me at the WhatsApp group or personal me. All right, so I think that's all for today. For our class session for today. Thank you so much to Said, okay, and Hamad, Mohsin, Ali, Khalid, and also Rashid. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. We will meet again to our class next session Thursday. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day. So I will close this session. Have a good day, everyone.